This is a little story about how the Rotary Club of downtown Los Angeles built and installed 12 little free Rotary libraries in the book deserts of the city of Los Angeles.
Yeah, it's about to go down. Hey, we be working day and night in the street to my light. We getting so bright, mama and papa be hoping from us. So we working so hard, so we give it back to the society. So I be reading my books, I'm hitting the hooks. I'm reading my books, I'm hitting the hooks.
We're starting today, Books Not Bullet. We're working with the Rotary Club from downtown Los Angeles. We start a new program. We start a new program in the neighborhood. We're in front of the recreation center. In this community, it's been pride with a lack of education. So anytime we can help the children, learn and get education, it's a beautiful thing. And I want to be a part of helping the kids, helping the community.
Okay, what are you going to do with that? Now that you've got it, okay, let's go.
It's for people with books.
Someone guide us. Spot you. Because we can't see. Is that up?
Look at that.
Woo!
Feel like shouting to the city. I made it, yeah. Feel like telling all the people. I made it, yeah. I made it, yeah. I made it, yeah. I made it, yeah. Cause when I was young, wanted to do it again. Life was hard, but I had to gain. Hoping someday not to bargain. Taking on a weekend, we playing a game. Telling my friends we not all the same. Cause life got history, very, very mystery. At times, so it getting so mystery. We work it towards this, we be dreamers. Nothing comes easy, we heat up. So me and my books, we go link up. All time friends, so you think up too. I wish I could reach for the stars. Helping the streets, cause it's not a big task. We need a good life, so we have to hustle up. Better education, that's the key to life. Want to be a lawyer, teacher, or doctor? Who knows, yeah, cause I'm a pilot, flying on a plane with the high thoughts. Wanna be a writer, an artist before tonight.
There you go.
So I can have better future. Before tonight, then I make it sweeter. I can do it with no fear. Before tonight, then I make it sweeter. I can have better future. Before tonight, then I make it sweeter. I can do it with no fear. Before tonight, then I make it sweeter. Vi har väl tänkt godnatt. A fresh raze to filisha. Vi har väl tänkt så hell. Mamma och pappa och fin och full. Also arbeiten wir so hard. Also geben wir es der Gesellschaft zurück.
This is the Community Refresh Spot. It's Skid Row, downtown Los Angeles, where homeless people can have a shower, do their laundry, get a little help, get some dignity, and now get a book from the Rotary Library.
So I've been reading my books, I'm hitting the hooks. I'm reading my books, yeah, I'm hitting the hooks, yeah, I'm reading my books, I'm hitting the hooks, hey. I made it, yeah, hey. I made it, yeah, hey. I made it, yeah, feel like shouting to the city. I made it, yeah, feel like telling all the people.